Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm really excited about today's video and I really want to share it with you guys because I stumbled upon something that could completely change the way we think about creating children's books. Trust me, you don't want to miss what I'm about to share. If you have ever dreamed of writing a kid's book but felt stuck, overwhelmed, or just didn't know where to start, this one's for you. I recently discovered a platform called Kidsbook AI, and honestly, it's one of the most fascinating uses of artificial intelligence I've seen in a long time, especially in the creative space where originality and efficiency rarely meet. Imagine this: you type in a single keyword like dinosaurs, bedtime, or kindness, and within moments, you get a full-on children's book generated for you. I'm talking about vibrant, colorful illustrations, professionally narrated pages, and even fun, interactive elements that truly engage young readers. You don't have to write anything, hire illustrators or voice actors, or deal with any complicated formatting or publishing steps. It's all done for you using AI. You can even choose the language, the age group, and the style of the book. It's like having a full creative team in your pocket. What really impressed me wasn't just the speed or the convenience, but the potential. Books are a timeless way to teach, inspire, and connect. We all remember the stories that shaped us as kids. Now, with Kidsbook AI, you can create those magical experiences for the next generation. Whether you're a parent, teacher, content creator, or someone looking to build a personal brand, this platform lets you make something meaningful that leaves a lasting impact. The process is shockingly simple. You start by entering a keyword, that's it. The AI handles the writing, the voice narration, the artwork, and formats it all into a beautiful interactive layout. You can then personalize your book by adding images, videos, GIFs, call to action buttons, logos, and more. There is even a built-in editor that lets you drag and drop elements and design your own covers and page templates. If you already have a manuscript or PDF, you can upload it and turn it into an animated flipbook complete with narration and interactive features. Sharing your book is easy too. You can publish it online, generate a QR code, embed it on your website, or make it password protected if you want to keep it exclusive. Plus, it's fully mobile optimized, which is super important since most kids and parents read on tablets and phones these days. Now, if you're thinking about the business side, Kidsbook AI includes a commercial license. That means you can sell the books you create, offer book creation services to clients, or even list gigs on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. And here's the wild part: people are paying hundreds of dollars for custom children's books. Now, you can create them in minutes without any design or tech skills. What really caught my attention is how some early users are already finding success. A few became best-selling authors on Kindle in various children's book categories. Others used it to boost their authority in parenting, education, or storytelling spaces. The tool makes it possible to finally write that book you've had in your head for years but never had the time, tools, or confidence to bring to life. And yes, the platform includes access to a massive built-in stock library, over 20 million images, videos, and design elements. You also get templates, social media mockups, and the ability to download your books in multiple formats. It honestly feels like a complete publishing studio powered by AI. One thing to note: Kidsbook AI is currently available as a one-time purchase, but they mentioned it may switch to a subscription model soon. So if you're even a little bit curious, now might be the right time to check it out. They also offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you're not really risking anything. If you've ever felt that creative spark to tell a story, teach a lesson, or share a message with kids around the world, this tool might be exactly what you need. You can go from idea to published, narrated, and visually stunning book in less time than it takes to make a cup of coffee. And you don't just get a product, you get the chance to create something real. Something that connects with children, helps them grow, and maybe even gets passed down for generations. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this helpful or inspiring, you can click the link below to get this helpful program and drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments what kind of kids book would you create first. I'll see you in the next video.